Oh, I'm thirsty.
How's it going there, Marshall?
I'm going to the fridge, but there's stairs, and God, dude, you tried. It's so hard.
It's really not that hard, Marshall. You gotta learn to teleport.
God, it's too hard. It's too hard. Oh, what? You did it.
It's not as hard as it looks.
Well, just look at it. Would you look at it? Take a look at it.
Okay, Marshall, I'm gonna walk you through this.
Alright.
Go to your happy place.
Alright.
No, not that, you idiot. I'm at the stairs.
Oh.
Go to the stairs on your happy place. Okay, just picture your happy place. Now, I want you to wiggle all your arms and limbs like you're having... just wiggle your arms and limbs.
Still flying. Oh, hey, a teleport. Oh, sweet, super. Oh, wait. That wasn't too hard. My chest isn't even red. Sean, I did it. I did it, Sean.
Good job, Marshall. Let's go get a drink. This feels a little light.